Hey guys, welcome to SR&RTV. I'm Derek Stone, and today we're going to be changing out a garbage disposal. Back here you can see, I'm going to take you guys over here. You can see that this one is leaking. There are gaskets in the bottom of the dishwasher, and the seals have worn out. I said dishwasher, I meant garbage disposal. These seals have wore out, and we're going to replace it. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So the first step you want to do when you're changing out your garbage disposal is unhook the power. This one does not have a plug like most of the modern new ones do. This one actually is hardwired, so you got to go to the breaker panel inside the house and shut it off at the breaker panel. That's what we're going to go do now. Breaker panel. You're going to find the one that says garbage disposal. Right here it says disposal. You're going to turn that off just like that. Alright, now we can unhook it. You're going to disconnect the garbage disposal in the back right there. You're going to unhook this top one is the dishwasher drainage line, and this bottom one is the actual drain here. So you're going to unhook this and this. We're going to unhook it from the sink first, and then we're going to disconnect the power. This is my beautiful wife, by the way. This just so happens to be our garbage disposal. So to unhook it from the sink, you need this tool. It comes in the new bag for the new garbage disposal. I keep saying dishwasher, garbage disposal. So you just take this and you put it inside this little hook right here. You're more than likely going to want to be holding the dishwasher or the garbage disposal, and then you just turn it like that. So one of the things you're going to be paying attention to get this unhooked is that you got to take this screw out right here. Get that out so you can get to the wiring harness underneath here. So you do take this screw out, but you also take this one out. I've set this kind of upside down inside here, so okay, that exposes the wires. You can take those out now. Remember that we took the breaker off, so this is no longer hot. Alright, now we're going to unhook that and get the new one wired up. Okay, so these garbage disposals are the same brand. Both are Badgers. This one's a Badger 500. This one is just a Badger. One thing is evidently different once you get into it, is that piece right there, that piece actually screws on like a water pipe. So right here, it screws on. It has threads like a water pipe. On the new one, it does not. It screws on and the pieces come with it. So you put this gasket piece in here like this. Then you'll put this around this like that. And then you will screw that on like that with those two screws right there. So that is the new way to plumb it. What we'll do is we'll take that other plumbing out, and then we'll hook this new one up and get it going. Okay, before you hardwire your garbage disposal up, I want to make sure that you know that there's a plug inside here. Can't really see it, but there's a plug inside there. With that plug, it will make your dishwasher. So if your dishwasher ever backs up, if you've got a new garbage disposal and it doesn't drain, it just backs up. That's the problem. Whoever installed your garbage disposal didn't do they didn't take the knockout out. So you just take a screwdriver and you're usually going to hit that really hard, and it goes through and you get it out the other side. So one thing to take notice on your garbage disposal, if it ever shorts out and it's not hooked up to a GFI, there is a motor reset switch right there, that red switch right there. On all garbage disposals have that reset switch, even the new one that we're putting in. Alright guys, so we've got it wired up, so we're going to hook it up, and then we're going to replace that one hose, and then go from there. Okay, so we got our new drain on. So we're going to hook that up, and then we'll put the P-trap on afterwards. P-trap's right here. We're going to put the P-trap on after the fact. That way we can adjust it as needed. If we've got to cut that drain down, then we'll do that after the fact. But everything's wired up, ready to go. We're going to hook it up, and then we'll hook the drain lines up. Okay, so we hooked the dishwasher line up. That goes over that one with a clamp. So we've got our drain there, that piece. Now we're going to hook our P-trap up, but we've got to have the clamp on it first. And that is the finished product. Hooking it up. By the way, to get this off, you just put this little screw in there and pull back towards yourself. To tighten it up, you do the same thing, take it like that, and you just push it back, and it tightens it up. Thank you guys for watching. I won't give in.